this will be the elevator here, and I'm not sure what building this is, but it's
Turn your power try and you can go wheel it on.
I think this is the only elevator in this building.
Please take elevator on.
Oh, there's another one. That sounds sick AF. Oh, this is the entrance elevator. Let's go down to the basement. Oh gosh, what do we have here? We have an Abell.
Oh, you're right.
Okay. Close the door. There we go. Their basement. Creepy. Let's go up to 1. Alrighty, here we go. Here are 1. Hi, I'll go when I get in there. Let's go down to the basement. Trying to go sick. Oh, going up?
No, you're fine.
Okay, I'm going up to 1.
Are you going to the parking lot?
No, I'm going to 1.
Which floor do you need?
I have 1.
1? Okay, we'll go up there. Maybe I hit it too soon. Sorry about that.
That's okay. It's all good.
Okay.
I'll let you go first, because ladies first.
Well, are you, let's see, you'll get off this direction.
I got it.
Yeah, and then I'll go back down.
Okay.
All righty, have a good day.
Take it, you too.
Thanks.
You're welcome. It's a pretty nice building. They obviously added that thing in there. There we go. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.